Now I'm on to another job, a small little tool I need tomorrow. So can you guess what it is yet? And before I say something, I haven't measured anything and I haven't even used a pencil to mark anything, just all by eye. So it'll be either an epic win or an epic fail really. So, but a piece of scrap anyway, so who really cares? So there you go, a rough cut now with a cutting disc. I'll take a flap disc now and take off the rough edges before I start to bend it. Alright now, can you start to guess what it is? If you guessed fencing wire twister, you guessed right. So I reckon this has turned out quite good, so it's a bit of an epic win this time. So it was scratching wire a bit, so I ran a round chainsaw file and made a couple of ramps in them, and it worked a lot better then. And I also filed this side a bit down because it was a bit longer, this one, but it works perfectly now. Maybe you'd want it a bit longer as well for more leverage on the bigger wires at top or bottom, but it works good.
60% of the time, it works every time.
So thank you for watching, and that's it from me for now then.